Finance Week 2025, organized on June 17 in Yaoundé, awarded the Prometal Group the Prize for Industrial Investment Leadership in the CEMAC Zone and the Prize for Industrial Sector Leadership in Cameroon. Prometal is a leading metallurgy player in Central Africa, specializing in steel, with an electric furnace that has a production capacity of around 200,000 tons a year. The group has also initiated projects to process bauxite and produce gas cylinders locally, as well as setting up a steel complex at the port of Kribi. Prometal was honored alongside 6 other economic and financial players that performed well in 2024, including Afriland First Bank, industrialist MIT Chimey, portfolio management company Elite Capital Asset Management, stock exchange company ESS Bourse, life and non-life insurance company Sanlam Alliance Cameroon, and telecoms operator Orange Cameroon.
Nous avons pu faire venir des acteurs.
We were able to bring in top players who explained, exchanged, and put forward ideas. As you have seen, we have rewarded them for their effort. We have highlighted these players who are consolidating our production fabric and preventing us from having to rely on imports. Prometal was mentioned earlier.
On a parlé de Prometal tout à l'heure.
In 2024, Cameroon imported goods worth 5,242.65 billion CFA francs, compared with 4,993 billion CFA francs in 2023, an increase of 3.9%. This increase in imports of essential goods and other products in Cameroon, as in other CEMAC countries, is a cause for concern for the Bank of Central African States (BAC), which is recommending greater investment in local production to reduce imports and, by extension, the demand for foreign currency, which is putting a strain on foreign exchange reserves. This issue has been highlighted by the organizers of Finance Week, who have decided to focus on the BAC's new foreign exchange regulations and economic development in the CEMAC zone.
Les critiques aujourd'hui, c'est on veut une réglementation de change plus souple.
The criticism today is we want more flexible exchange rate regulations. You have seen the figures. Flexible. We are going to find ourselves in the same situation as in 2014-2015, which exposed the sub-region to the risks of currency reform. 2 months of import at the time. The effort we need to make today is really to accelerate the import substitution strategy as intended by the head of state.
Substitution telle que voulue par le chef d'État.
Bank CEOs attending Finance Week were urged to support the new foreign exchange regulations aimed at combating tax evasion, money laundering, terrorist financing, and currency flight. Celestine Golasimo, Managing Director of Afriland First Bank, which was awarded the Prize for Excellence in Banking at Finance Week 2025, also defended the need for economic players to invest in the transformation and local production of goods in order to raise Africa's contribution to world trade above 3%.